Hello there, YouTube. It is I, Ross from Ross and Job's History, Rub, and Reviews, and today we are looking at amazing product. I honestly forget the name of this product. Oh my god, I almost chopped my finger off right there. I forget the name of this product, but it is two microphones that were on sale for around $50. I believe $49. Could be wrong, could be $59. I forget. It's been 3 days. I saw, I was originally going to get the Samsung, I believe that's the name, C01 two microphone set, but I saw others that were cheaper and gave the exact same quality, so I thought to myself, why would I even bother spending extra money when I can get two microphones that sound almost identical to the higher priced one for cheaper? Let me see what it says right here. I actually got so many from B&H. B&H.com. We bought a lot of stuff from B&H.com. It's called the Polsen Matched Pair SM DPHRM, which is Diaphragm Condenser mics. They are sold as a pair, and they were $59.95 with free expedited shipment. Holy crap! I'm so excited. There were some that were in pairs that actually came with carrying cases and attachments for tripods and a boom pole. And what else? I don't remember what else. They had like a whole bunch of stuff. Carrying case and like to attach to your instruments and stuff as well. There they are. I don't know how clear this is. I hope it's clear. That's what they look like, right there. There are a lot of people that say, well, you don't really show us what they look like. Well, half the time the boxes don't have pictures of what they look like. They are the SDC 2150-MP match pair small diaphragm. They're very small. Made by Polsen, PulseAudio.com, but I got it from B&H.com, one of my favorite websites. Small diaphragm condenser microphones designed recording high quality audio in the studio or on location. Cardioid polar pattern, which is like shotgun in a way. It's like usually straight around, straight to the person's voice. And it's perfect for recording instrument speech or dialogue. I don't know if, anyway, I think they spelled that wrong, but I don't know. High sensitivity and tailored frequency response, ideal for recording acoustic instruments or for drum overheads. Capable of handling high SPL without distortion, enabling close mic placement to snares, cymbals, pianos, guitars, or other instruments. Matched pair of microphones are excellent for use as stereo room mics or for live stereo recordings. Included mic clips. Yes, this one came with the mic clips that I wanted for my my setup. Used for mounting on mic stands or boom poles. Specifications: transducer, back electric condenser, polar pattern is cardioid, frequency response 50 Hz to 18 kHz, sensitivity -42 dB plus or equal to 3 dB, parentheses 0 dB equals 1V, PA at 1 kHz, output XLR male. Just read this. Pause the video and read this. It's too much of a mouthful for me. Just, pause it right there. Boom. Okay, I'm going to open this up. There's no tape. Tape. This one did come with a carrying case. Can you believe it? Oh my god, this came with a Polsen carrying case. It's plastic. 100% plastic. And here's the instruction manual. It is an XLR. They're both XLRs. I have a Panasonic HVX200A that I'm going to test these on, which is a professional news broadcast camera that they still use today. From 2006 to 2008, I believe, was the manufacturing years. Could be longer than that. Oh my god. It's even padded. Oh my god. I feel so bad ASS. Look at this. Let me smell this. Oh, it smells like... Anyway, yeah, it smells really good. Very cool texture. Reminds me of Sonic the Hedgehog. That is such a cool texture. I love that it came with a case. And it does come with the mounts that I'm looking for, because they have wide ones, they have really wide ones, they have medium-sized ones, they have small ones, and these are really small. These are extra small mounts, so you can attach them to boom poles and little tripod setups as well. Like, I'm going to do ASMR with these, because I was looking for matching microphones to do ASMR with. I was sick of the Yeti. I was sick of the H5. And I was also sick of using my two handhelds, because they apparently a lot of people love my handhelds. They were just two different handheld microphones, so they had two different frequencies and polar patterns and things. And they were really hard to pick up sound. These ones will go directly in front of you, and they'll pick up some sound from the side. And these are heavier than I thought. Also, these are plastic. Yeah, they are a little bit plastic, just a little bit. I believe this part right here is plastic, and the top part's plastic. The rest is metal. They smell great. They're like Daredevil. Daredevil's freaking from Netflix. Daredevil's, his billy clubs. These are heavy though. I'm shocked, but yeah, this is gonna be perfect for ASMR. The one thing that I'm missing is I believe I read that these came with wind muffs, and I'm not seeing the wind muffs. But yeah, I am going to test this out on a professional news broadcast microphone. Not microphone. Professional news broadcast camera. The Panasonic HVX 200A and my T5i, because I do have a phantom power setup for it, and I do have the XLR cable to 3.5mm. I'm going to test these out also on the Zoom H5 Pro Handy recorder. So you're going to get 3 different tests. So if you have a DSLR and it works, you like it, you can use that. If you have an H5, an H4, or up, H6 and 7, you can do that. Any kind of like audio what it's called, freaking audio amplifier, not amplifier, freaking, I know what it's called. It doesn't matter. Audio preamp, there we go, preamplifier. You can use that as well. And if you have a camcorder, it'll do it the same way as the Canon, like a little handy cam. You have to have the power source and then plug it also into your handy cam, unless your handy cam has phantom power. Let us begin these tests after we do some cool looks at these things. These things are so effing cool looking. Good God, they are amazing. For the price, I thought they would be 100% plastic. No, they're not. They are not. They roll, though. The ASMR group that I do, ASMR Ross, they're gonna love these mics. I feel it! I'm doing a test from the Canon Rebel T5i. It's an arm's length away from me. By my accurate measurement, I'm not going to say 5 to 10 inches like a lot of people on YouTube. They just exaggerate because they don't have a ruler. So they give an enormous amount of a length between them and the microphone or whatever they're reviewing. No, it is an arm's length away, aimed right at my beautiful my attractive mug. I've got to watch what I say because YouTube's new rule on freedom of speech. Anyway, I've got to watch what I say. My beautiful face, and the gain on the camera is 1 tick to the very end. Like if I ticked it to the left anymore, it would be completely mute. So I hope this sounds great. I'm going to test it on the Zoom H5 as well, and we will see how that sounds. And then the Panasonic HVX 200p. Again, I'm going to be doing something that I forgot to do when I was telling you guys about this. I'm going to block my face, and I want to see if it muffles at all with the microphone. So here we go. I'm blocking from the general direction of the microphone. See if it's muffled, if it has some kind of kick on the camera or on the microphone settings itself, that it picks up the gain, and I don't think it would, honestly, but yes. Does it block it? How clear is it now that I am muffled? Do I sound like I am in an air fighter jet in the Air Force? Does it sound super muffled? Because if it does, then it's accurately picking up my voice. If it doesn't sound muffled at all, then it's not accurately picking up my voice. And take out your headphones. I'm going to do a screen test in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah! Okay, we're gonna see how that does, like with the screen. I'm getting closer to the microphone. I'm right in front of the microphone right now. It is not a 3D microphone, but since I have 2 of them, I can have one to the left channel, one to the right channel. It's picking up my whispering. So it's a test on the Canon Rebel T5i. You can tell if you're using this for DSLR and you have a preamp that has its own power supply or draws from the camera battery, therefore allowing you to plug in XLR microphones. This is what it's going to sound like if you have an XLR to 3.5mm and then plugged into an external source of power. Alright, I am testing this out on the Zoom H5. I am having issues, and whenever I speak, it goes, it just resets and does the weird thing. But yeah, now I have the left one plugged in. When I plug in the right one, it just completely, it messes up my Zoom entirely. Menus won't work. The phantom power turns off, and then it turns on for one microphone and not the other, and I've switched the XLR cables, and it does it for both of them if anything's plugged into the second slot. But then I unplugged
both microphones, both Polsen microphones, and plugged in 2 handhelds, and I didn't have that issue at all. And I've done different amounts of phantom power. I've done plug-in power. It doesn't matter with the second and the first slot. And here it is with both plugged in. You're hearing it now through both of the Polsen microphones. It is the most annoying sounding thing ever. I have nothing touching the XLR cables or anything. Nothing at all, and I'm getting this squeak. Let's see if I can hear when I play back. Oh, hi. I'm still getting it. I have a second, a different XLR mic plugged in the Panasonic AJ-MC700P. On occasion, I'm getting it to pop up on only the Polsen. This is the one on the left. And then... So, it's something with these microphones, because now I'm speaking into the Panasonic. I don't have a wind muff on these, and it sounds fine. I don't... Nothing technological ever goes right for me, so I have no idea. I'm sick of technology not working when I buy it.